Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm an outreach educator with the Bedford Public Library. Welcome to the Art of Living. Today we're going to talk about making appointments. You might need to make a professional appointment, medical appointment, or a personal appointment such as car maintenance, haircut, or financial planning. Start by checking your calendar, whether physical or digital, to see what upcoming appointments you already have so you don't overbook. Make a list of days and times that are ideal and won't conflict with previously confirmed appointments or your work schedule. Once you have a list of ideal times, check the website to see if appointments can be made online. If you have an exceptionally busy schedule, it can sometimes be easier to make appointments online because all available times are visible, which aids in selecting a time that works with your schedule. If online scheduling is not an option, go ahead and call and let the person know that you would like to make an appointment. You will need to tell them who and what the appointment is for. If the appointment days and times they offer don't work well with your schedule, don't be afraid to ask if they have appointments available at a certain day or time that works for you. Often, they're trying to fill up a day's schedule. It's likely there are other times available as well. If there's still nothing available that is ideal for your schedule, or if appointment times are too far out into the future, you can always ask to be placed on a cancellation list, where they will call you if someone cancels and new appointment times become available. Once an appointment time is settled, be sure to confirm the day and time and record it in your calendar. Ask for directions or an address if you are unsure of the location, and also so you can take into account any travel time. Also, it's good to ask if there's anything you need to bring with you to the appointment or any paperwork you will need to fill out beforehand. Finally, you should ask how long you should anticipate the appointment to last, so you can block out the appropriate time on your calendar. Once you've made your appointment, don't forget to schedule time off work if necessary. Making appointments can be daunting, but here at the library, we're here to help because that's all just a part of the art of living.